Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back. So in this video we will be changing our header and we'll be creating our own header basically. Okay, you can see this is how our header is looking, but we will be using a drag and drop builder and we'll be converting this header into our own header. Let's go ahead and let's work with it. First of all, what you have to do, you have to go ahead and you have to make sure that actually Elementor is installed. Okay, what you can do, you can just click add new, and then you can just install the Elementor, and you will have this Elementor right here. It says create your first page or read the full article. You don't have to do anything, you just have to hit cross. Okay, and you can see that Elementor would be right there. Then what you have to do, you have to go ahead and you have to go to your plugins. Okay, and you have to go to your plugins and you have to go ahead and you have to install the pro version of the Elementor plugin. Okay, because this is really important, and if you don't do it, you will not be actually able to do it, and you cannot do it definitely. So if you actually don't have the Elementor Pro version, what you have to do, the video that you are watching, you can see resources available would be right here. You can click here and you can see it says click here to get the pro version. You have to click this link and you will be actually taken to a link where you will be actually taken to the Elementor official website, and you can purchase the Elementor Pro version from here. You can see they've got 3 plans. You can just choose any of the plan and you can go ahead and you can download the Elementor Pro version. Once you have actually got the Elementor Pro, what you have to do, you have to just hit add new. Okay, and then you have to hit upload the plugin, and then you have to choose a file and you have to just upload the file that you actually downloaded from the Elementor Pro official website. Once you have actually installed, then what you have to do, you have to go and you have to activate the plugin. You can click this button and the plugin is going to be activated, and now you can see we've got both the plugins and everything is right here. Now what you have to do, you have to go ahead and you have to go to the Elementor, and you can see it says my templates. Okay, click here and you can see it says create your first template, and now you can create your first template for the Elementor website. Let's go ahead and let's click. And you can see now here you can build your header. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to actually select that the template that you want to work on. So basically we want to build our header. Okay, so since we want to build our header, we have to make sure that we go ahead and we select the header from here. Let's see if we've got the header. We've got page, we've got section, we've got header, footer, single, archive. We'll be working with all of them, so don't worry. Let's go ahead and let's work with the header because we want to build our own header so that our header looks amazing. Here we have to select the header, and here you can name your template. So you can just name it anything, like you can say it's just like my header, all pages. Okay, and then what you have to do, you have to just hit create template, and the Elementor will actually create the template, and it's going to actually redirect you to a new page where you can go ahead and you can build your own header. So you can also select some pre-made headers from here, but we will not be using them. We will be creating our own. Okay, so if you actually want to go ahead and you want to just add any, you can just go ahead and you can hit activate license. Okay, and then what you have to do, you have to just go to the Elementor where you have actually your license there, and you can just enter your license key here, and then you can hit activate, and then you can just add any of the pre-made layout here. Okay, so here, as you can see, some menus right here, but we will be going ahead and we'll be building our own. So let's hit cross and let's work with it. Okay, you can see we've got this right now and we've got this right here, and we can now create our own header. Okay, so first of all, we want to build our top bar. Okay, where there would be the phone number. Okay, there would be some social links if you actually want to, or there would be some my account or anything if you actually want to show that. So I'm just gonna hit this, and you can see we've got this right now. I want 2 columns. So now you can see this is right here, and now you can go ahead and you can drag anything that you want. Okay, so let's suppose that I want to add my contact information here. So I'm just gonna say I need a text editor, and I'm just gonna add it right here. And now you have to go to the text, and you can go ahead and you can add that text that you want. So you can go to Font Awesome to actually go and to get an icon that you want, or you can go ahead and you can choose your icon from this icon right here, and you can just add it right here. Okay, and then what you can do, you can just choose how you want your icon to be, but that would be actually a long thing. Since we have actually used this Font Awesome thing, then why not just use it? So I'm just gonna add a phone number, phone icon here. So I'm just gonna search for phone. Okay, and you can see that it's gonna take us to there, and I'm just gonna be using this phone square. Okay, you can see it's right here. I'm just gonna copy the HTML code, and I'm just gonna click here, and I'm gonna paste this HTML code right here. Okay, you can see the box is right here coming, but okay, this is just right here. So if you actually want this box to work, what you have to do, you have to just delete the S that is here from here. It should be FA-FA. It should not be FAS. Okay, and now you can see it's right here and it's totally working. Okay, so if the S, if you have edited the S and it is working, then you don't have to remove the S. But if if the S is there and it is not working, then you have to remove the S. So now let's add a number. So I'm just gonna add +1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, you can see we've got our phone number here. And now what you can do, you can go ahead and you can add the email address here if you want to. So I'm just gonna quickly add that. So you can see it's right here, and now you can go ahead and you can add your email address here. So that's just gonna be info@domain.com. Okay, you can see till here this is ready, and now you can go ahead and you can add your social links here, or you can add your menu here if you want to. So I believe that you would prefer social links, so you can just search for social here, and you can see we've got social icons, share buttons, and these right here. So I'm just gonna grab this social icons and I'm just gonna drop it, and you can see we've got this social links appearing. I'm just gonna say that I would like it to be aligned to right, and these are right here. Now what you have to do, you have to just add the links here, and these links will be right there. You can see this part till this part, our thing is actually done till here. Now you can go ahead and you can also go to the style, and you can work with the size of it. Okay, I want it to be much more smaller. I believe it should be 10. Okay, and here we've got the official color. You can choose custom color, and so custom color would be actually like I want it to be black, and the secondary color should be white. And you can see this is right here done till here. Now we've got our top bar ready. Now what we have to do, we have to come up here and we have to just hit edit section. Okay, and we have to go to the style, and we have to say that I want the background color of this to be actually I believe this color. This color code is right here. So if you actually want to copy the exact same style, you can just get this color code from here. You can see we've got our top bar ready. I want to come up here and I want to just say that I want the color of actually this to be white. So I'm just going to go to style, and the text color is going to be white. Okay, and you can see it's now turned to white. And I want to work with the typography. So I basically want it to be Arial. Okay, or I think Open Sans. Okay, and now you have to work with the size. So the size, I believe this much is fine. Okay, and I want to go with the letter spacing a bit. So letter spacing can be this much. Okay, and fine. Okay, now you can see we've got everything ready. Now what we have to do, we have to go with nothing. Okay, now what you can see, it's totally done till here. I can just go to the content right now, and I can come up here, and I can just give a space between this I and this envelope here. So I'm just going to add a space here. And you can see the space is added. Same like this, I want to add a space here in between this number and this envelope. So I'm just going to add, this is the number, and this is the envelope. So I'm just going to add end NBSP along with a semicolon. So if you don't add the semicolon, this will not be added. Keep that in mind. Okay, now you can see till here, this is done. So you can just select here, social links, and you can just select like I want the social links background color, primary color to be actually white. Okay, and I want their secondary color to be black. Okay, and now you can see this is how it's looking. Same like this, you can work with the hover color, but let's add it. So if someone hovers over it, then I want the primary color to be actually the same color. Okay, that's all. You can see if you actually want to see your top bar, you can just click here, and you can see this is how your top bar is actually looking. Okay, congratulations guys on building your top bar. Now what you can do, you can go ahead and you can work with the size of this top bar. So you can go to edit section and you can work with the height. Okay, and you can choose how much height you want. Okay, same like this, you can just come up here and you can work with the content width. You can select it to full width and you will be having a full width this thing. Okay, but I prefer not to choose full width because I don't like it. So anyway, it totally depends on your requirement. So now you can see we are totally done with the top bar. In the next video, I'm going to be showing you how to go and how to build a header. Stay tuned guys, and bye bye.